Hi kids! Today I'm going to teach you 3-letter CVC words of N family. A, N, N. Let's get started. Read with me. A, N, H, N, hen, H, N, hen. Let's look into N family word list. D, N, den. H, N, hen. M, N, men. P, N, pen. T, N, ten. Let's read it fast. N, den, hen, men, pen, ten. Your turn to read. Well done, kids. Good reading. Bye bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the more video updates. Link to all my phonics video is given in the description box. Keep watching.